1974, 22 years old, got into installations, and it's been a journey ever since. So Stockett has gone from 3 employees to almost 200 employees right now in 45 years. The biggest strength Stockett has is the team. I know that's a cliche, but it is. We have the best team we've ever had in 45 years right now, and that's done by hiring correctly and training and learning. We like to say at Stockett, we never lose. We either win or we learn. We call ourselves an artisan contractor. We're very well known for high-end jobs, difficult jobs. In 1989, we were just doing tile. I was begged to do by the suppliers in Phoenix to do granite because we ran our tile division so well. And we started researching it. We used a local fabricator. There were very few in town at the time. We sold the job, we templated the job, he fabricated for us, we installed. And we became 2/3 of his business within 9 months. Everything we proposed, we sold. So that indicated, okay, we can buy equipment. Went to the Atlanta Stone Show, I believe it was 1990, met the team from Park Industries, and bought my first saw. It was called a Prodigy. There was a big transition. A real aha moment was as the downturn came in 2008, to keep our market share, what was available, we had to make some radical decisions, and that was come in at or just above cost, just to compete. My shop manager and I sat down and decided, we've sold for this low, how are we going to produce for this low? And we bought our first Fusion. My bank and my controller were upset with me. Why are you spending that kind of money at the beginning of a recession? We tracked the work that came off of it and realized quickly we had dropped our fabrication costs by half. This is with the Fusion. Bought another one, and it grew into Titans and Sabre Jets and new velocities, replacing equipment. Okay, what have I got? 2 Fusions. We have a brand new Sabre Jet XP, 3 Titans. We have 2 velocities. They won't let me get rid of a Pro Edge. We have a brand new Fastback. Certain machines, especially the Fusions and the Titans, are for production work, that's builder work. The reason the Sabre Jet XP was purchased is we wanted 2 machines. We still needed a bridge saw, and we still wanted the speed of a jet saw. Miters, curves, we do custom edges that you can plunge cut. Our shop is about 16,000 square feet. We have a target for the shop of 1,750 square feet a day, and that's just the production work. On top of that is the custom work, and that's where the feet varies tremendously with the complexity of the job. We are currently exceeding that by about 20%. We're well over 2,000 square feet a day right now. Reason we keep going back to Park, we can't afford downtime. Our shop is small yet very efficient. If there's a problem, they're there to help. We have parts quickly. They communicate well, they train well. Your installers are second to none. The equipment lasts. The Prodigy I bought in 1990 is still running in eastern Arizona. So these things are built well. We could have picked any other supplier of machinery, but we had to find somebody that we could work with, that would stand behind their product, that would service their product in a quick and efficient way. We couldn't have done it without Park. It's been a successful journey. Very appreciative of Park Industry.